And excuse guys my poor editing. Pretty busy, so I just kind of threw this thing together. Here are some photos before and after. So YouTube, what you guys doing is a review / update on my setup with wheels and tires. This review will be on the leveling kit, which is rough country. I was able to fit this size tires. I put the spec in the description. You guys can see the fitment looks pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Just had to do some trimming right there. Tire size, it's a 285/70. And then setting on methods. Chose the color because it just looks good with the Jeep color. Really quiet tires. Tried going 12.5 wide, but you guys are gonna have an issue with rubbing. Let's get the other stance over here. There it is. The driver's side rough country shock started leaking recently, so I lost a little bit of clearance, so start rubbing a little bit here, but it's only on when I take hard curves. But it's a quick video. No issues. Love the ride quality on these. I'd really recommend. I'll put all the specs for the rims and tires if you like the setup, and I'll do some driving so you can see how quiet it is. And as you can see with these tires, guys, are pretty quiet. So if you're looking into getting all-terrain tires or just bigger tires, these are smooth. There's no vibrations, no noise, extremely quiet tires. And as far as the highway mileage on these tires, since they're a little bit bigger, I'm still pretty happy with it. I'm running roughly around 22 highway. I did hit a few little traffic spots for like 30 minutes, so that's why my average is a little bit down. But all in all, I'm very happy with the setup. City, I think I am running like 17 or 16, something like that, but I don't drive it too calmly in the city. I just drive like a normal car, so that's why my MPG is kind of low. But on average, city and highway, I'll probably run around 18 combined. Like I said, these, very happy with the leveling kit and the size tires I was able to fit in here.